they call this. Police Unity Tour. So this is, I think, where a lot of different police departments
I've seen this
come
once
in.
before.
Let me ask this dude. You want to talk to him? Yeah. Is this just Newark? Hey, how you doing? How many different PDs are in this?
Statewide.
No kidding. Statewide, Tom.
Oh, man, Newark. Check it out.
And you're from Newark? Killer.
Yeah. This guy's pulled over the flat tire, probably.
He's at the right spot. Does it get bigger and bigger, or has it been getting smaller and smaller?
We pick up.
Oh, no kidding.
And it starts in all different locations throughout the
And then just people just keep jumping in?
Stops in Washington, D.C. Yep.
Dude, that's crazy. This is the time that you go out and rob banks. So he says each town that they go through, they keep getting, each town they go through, they keep getting more and more people getting involved, or people. Police Unity Tour. Dude, look how many people are there.